When it comes to maritime safety, understanding the role of emergency fire pumps and general service pumps is crucial. These pumps are not just pieces of equipment. They are lifelines that ensure the safety of crew and vessel alike. Let's dive into the purpose of these pumps. Emergency fire pumps are specifically designed to provide a reliable source of water in the event of a failure on board. They must be capable of delivering high pressure and volume to combat flames effectively. On the other hand, general service pumps are versatile. They handle various tasks, from ballast operations to cooling systems. Both types of pumps are essential for maintaining operational efficiency and safety at sea. Now, how do these pumps operate? Emergency fire pumps typically draw water from the sea or onboard tanks. They are powered by diesel engines or electric motors, ensuring they can function even when the ship is in distress. General service pumps, meanwhile, can be centrifugal or positive displacement types, depending on the application. Understanding the mechanics behind these pumps is vital for maritime professionals, as it allows for better troubleshooting and maintenance. The importance of these pumps cannot be overstated. In emergencies, every second counts. A malfunctioning fire pump can mean the difference between a controlled situation and a catastrophic fire. Moreover, general service pumps play a critical role in the overall functionality of the vessel. Regular checks and maintenance ensure they are always ready to perform when needed. Speaking of regulations, both the International Maritime Organization, IMO, and the Safety of Life at Sea, SOLAS, set stringent standards for these pumps. SOLAS mandates that every vessel must be equipped with a reliable firefighting system, including emergency fire pumps. Compliance with these regulations not only ensures safety but also protects the crew and the vessel from potential legal repercussions. Maintenance is key to the longevity and reliability of both emergency fire pumps and general service pumps. Regular inspections should include checking for leaks, ensuring proper lubrication, and testing the pump's performance under load. It's also essential to keep an eye on the hoses and connections, as wear and tear can lead to failures at critical moments. Installation is another critical aspect. Proper installation ensures that pumps operate efficiently and effectively. This includes selecting the right pump size for the application, ensuring proper alignment, and securing all connections. A well-installed pump system can significantly reduce the risk of operational issues down the line. In conclusion, understanding the purpose, operation, and maintenance of emergency fire pumps and general service pumps is vital for anyone in the maritime industry. These pumps are not just equipment, they are essential components of maritime safety and operational efficiency. By adhering to SOLAS and IMO regulations and committing to regular maintenance, we can ensure that our vessels are always prepared for whatever challenges the sea may present.